Okay, I am so excited that you are here so I can show you exactly how I get pretty much any product that I want for free on Amazon. So, just a couple quick caveats. You do need to be a part of the Amazon Influencer Program, but don't let that shy you away. I'll link a video that will show you exactly how you can do that. I've helped so many friends get approved with as little as 60 followers on TikTok. So, you don't need a big following. Anyone can quite literally do this, and then you can start reaping the benefits and getting stuff for free for you and your family. I had a daughter that just turned 4, and I got every single one of her birthday presents for free. So this is seriously like the best kept secret there is out there. So let's just dive in. If I look over to the right, it's because my iPad's right there, and I don't want to leave anything out. I really want to give you all of the goods so you can like turn around and use this and start implementing tomorrow if you wanted to. So again, I'm going to link a video to become an Amazon influencer if you are not an Amazon influencer, and then let's just go ahead and dive in. So for the interest of time, I already loaded some pages, so we are going to pretend like I need a blender. And say my Vitamix went out and I need a new one, and I'm going to go up here and I use a software called Viral Vue, and I'm going to open the Chrome extension for Viral Vue, and it's going to load. And Product View is one of many tools that seriously um, have just completely changed the game for the Amazon Influencer Program. So we're just strictly going to talk about Product View today. And once I click that, this video or this screen is going to come up. And if say I am not going to try and reach out to a brand to try and have them send me a sample to in exchange for some sort of collaboration, and that could be like exchange for an Amazon influencer video like on our storefront like this, that's what these are. um, Quick review videos about different products, or in exchange for like doing a video on and like posting it to my stories or doing a reel or a TikTok shop or something. So I'm just going to purchase the product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually sort by viral score. And so what I am looking for is I'm looking at the daily sales and then the total influencer videos, and then if there's opportunity to be at the top carousel. If you have ever made a purchase on Amazon and you've been in the listing and you're looking through the videos and you're swiping, where most of the time we're on our phone, and you swipe over and there is typically like a brand video, and then there are also videos from like real people who are using it and giving their feedback on it. And so that's what the top carousel is. There are thousands, so many places that Amazon could put an influencer video, but we really are looking for the opportunity to be in the top carousel because that's going to give you the most opportunity to make your money back. And since we're going to purchase the product, we want to make our money back as quickly as possible so we can get the product for free. And so, since this has 0 influencer videos and this has a top carousel, there is only one sale a day, but it's a pretty high price item, right? And so, say this was like the Vitamix that you want, or the blender, the Ninja blender that you want, and we're looking at this, and the stats look good. And we decide to make that sale. So we know we're going to get it. This viral score is high. So we know there is ample opportunity for us to get our money back. So this could potentially be a product that I would go ahead and buy. However, say I don't want to spend $279. I'm more like in the $80 to $100 range. You could look down here, and here is another 0 influencer, but it doesn't have the top carousel, but we can pretend like there's a top carousel video there. It makes 20 sales a day. So that means 20 opportunities for people to watch your video and then make a sale. And then also, if 20 people, say all of them watched your video but didn't end up buying this product, but they ended up buying a blender, which is also in the same category, you would get commission for that as well. Like, and there are sometimes Amazon will put your review video in another listing. So there is so many opportunities for you to actually gain your money back. So I would say I probably would go for this one. It's within my price range. It's got good daily sales. There's 0 competition. And then we're just going to pretend like there's a top carousel because that's for the sake of this video. So I would go ahead and make that purchase. Okay, so we are going to sort by creator connections now. So this is how I'm going to ask a brand for a sample so I can review it. So it doesn't look like any of the products on this first page of the Amazon search have creator connections. So we're just going to pretend like these are blenders. I know there are blenders because I actually looked in the creator connection campaigns, which I'll show you in just a second. But so this has 33 sales. Remember, we're pretending like this is like a Ninja blender. This is pretty low. And then this does have a top carousel, but it says there's 7 and it's in red. So you're kind of like, that might be a little bit harder to get in that top carousel. This has a 3, so it's lower. And then down here, look, there is one in the top carousel. There's one influencer video, and then it's pretty much within my price range, right? That 100, it's only making one sale a day. So I might keep looking, but for the sake of this recording, say you find the product that you want, and then you would hit on that yes 20%. And when it has that 20%, that means you're going to make an additional 20% on top of the already on-site commission. Oh, I clicked the wrong one. Hold on. So this one's 30%. So that product price was $19.99. And so not only will you make the percentage for either your on-site or your off-site commission, but you will also make 30% on top of that. So 30% by $20, what? I don't math. So $20 for 20% would be 4, so $5-ish or so. You guys can correct me if you want in the comments, but we're just estimating at this point. And so we're bringing up the opportunity, and this is so cool, you guys, because this, if they have a creator connection campaigns, it actually gives you the opportunity to message the brand directly. And so since this isn't a blender, I'm going to open up so this is the creator campaign in like the back of the house itself. And I already searched Blender, so we could just open up. So this is the product view again, but this is in the back and where all the creator campaigns are housed. So there are 207 that has Blender somewhere in the title or the keywords. As you can tell, I've already messaged a bunch about blenders, but oops. That keeps falling. Okay. And so look, this portable blender right here, it's $39.97. It's got 13 daily sales. There's only 2 influencer videos. Let's go check that top carousel. There are 6. So that might be a little high as far as competition goes. But then we can go down here. It's got 25% for an extra commission. It's got 10 daily sales, 7 influencer videos, which still isn't terrible. I do, anything 15 or below kind of. So anyway, so say we have like, look right here, 23 sales, 1 influencer. It likely has a top carousel. Look, it's green. So this is like the ideal product. And I did already message them, but let's go ahead and copy the ASIN. We're going to go right here. We're going to click on that, and it's going to load the brand page. And okay, so here is message the brand. And then since I already messaged them, we're going to do pitch. I have these. Viral Vue also lets you save these different templates. So I have all of these templates, and then I would just paste the ASIN, and then I would hit send. I already wrote them, so I wrote them today. I don't want to bug them too much, but it's super simple. And then also just a quick sneak peek behind the scenes is if you don't want to do all of that, Viral Vue also comes with a free 20 messages, so you can actually just hit the check mark, and then hit send message, and it would do all of that for you. Like you could do it in seconds. It's so awesome. Okay, so just to wrap up, this is exactly how I get free products. I get anywhere from 15 to 20 boxes every Tuesday when I go to the post office of free products that I have either in brand collaborations or just requesting samples in order to do reviews. And then if you are already an Amazon influencer and you don't have this software, Viral Vue, you are leaving so much money on the table. I'll link my a 10% off coupon code so you can use Off-Grid Mommy and get 10% off for the lifetime of your membership or subscription whatever you would like to call it. And then I'll also link the video on how to become an Amazon influencer or get in the Amazon influencer program, in case you don't already belong in that. And then otherwise, please take this information and go get you some stuff, because you should not be spending any money when you don't have to. And you could also be making money on top of it. So you're basically getting paid to shop on Amazon. And thank you so much for being here.